Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing. This is my, I think, fifth unboxing. I'm not sure. I haven't counted. But, I got this at Walmart for 20 bucks. Yeah, let's see what we got. I hope I get a tour guide. I really hope I do. I can open that fucker. Damn it. Can't open it. Here we go. I always have problems. Opening this stuff. Well, alright. There we go. Not everyone opens it like that. Here's the one side. Here's what I've been waiting for. Wow. Always wonder where. Alright, I'm gonna get this stitching. I hate the fact that these cards have only 5 cards in them. They should have 9. Alright. Man, it's so sticky. Alright. That's all that is. Alright. Oh, level eater. Alright. I got level eater. Still white magician. Half or nothing. Ooh. Super conductor tyranno. Black red. Okay. Level warrior. Okay. Ooh, fabled raven. Nice. Starfoil and doors. Actually, that's a really good pack. I like that pack. Okay. I opened that really weird. Alright. Got worm. Barsis, I think. The tricky. Oh. Ooh, good. Mirror Force, Starfoil. Wind up Zen mains. Rare. White lettering. And damage gate. Muta. And Gene Warped Werewolf. Bait Doll. Starfoil. Ingestion Fairy Lily. Cool card, I like that card. Sticky shit. I always get these Tetra Bubble Cannons. I always get those. Zabort, the Thunder Monarch. Breaker, the Magician Warrior. Starfoil. United We Stand. Black Lettering Rare. Alright. I really hope I didn't Dark Magician of Black Chaos, something like that. Or, you know, Blast Fear, Hedge Guard, Premature Burial, number 39 Utopia. Ooh, a Raichu. I'll say Raichu boy. Actually, these are really good cards. Happy Maroba for combat. Yaksha. Changing Destiny, Starfoil. Rare, number 17, Leviathan Dragon. My favorite Seas monster. I love that card. I don't know why it's the art in Restless Greed. And we got 3 packs left. I got Fortress Warrior. I don't know what it's called. Shit. It said Grave. I can't read upside down. Grave's Warmer, I think. Starfoil and Burden of the Mighty, rare. Come on, tour guide. The Battle Fader. Love Battle Faders. Battle Fader, Toon, Gemini Elf, Starfoil Blowback Dragon. Never had one of those. I don't know why. Call of the Hunted rare. Alright. Our last pack. Cloudy and Poison Cloud. Jim Caliber Knight. Whoa, what's this? Ambitious Gopher. Weird card. A rare Tyrus, Keeper of the Genesis. If you can see this, you can look at the A and the Tyrus, and there's no, like, it's just, there's no dot in the middle of the A. This print, I think, and a Venus Chain. Shit, one again. It's rare. Jim Caliber 9, it's a good card. That's it, really. I'll go through my rares and starfoils. Alright, rares. Yeah. If you can see these, I don't know, this video recording thing on my laptop is kind of weird. Utopia, United We Stand, Injection Fairy Lily, Lineup Zen Mains, Gores, that's a good card for rare. Superconductor, Tyranno. For Starfoil, I got, I'm not going to say that name, so I suck at reading upside down. That is for sale. For sale. And, well, thank you, and subscribe, please. If you're watching this, just subscribe. It's just, please. Thank you.